Holy shit! Holy shit! That is a...
He's adorable. This ball of love has been loving me all day. He slept with me this morning. He was so cuddled. And now he's like, love me. Even though I'm on my lunch break. I love this cat so much. Are you hiding from the camera? Is that what you're doing? Hiding from the camera? Oh, the camera can't see you anymore. That's cool. His teeth are always sticking out. I love this cat. I'm not sure what's going on, but there's something beeping in my house. And I don't know what it is. I've discovered the source of the beeping. Question is why it's doing that. I do not know. It's possessed.